Maintaining your printer can be easy and fuss-free. Reduce downtime to your work process with easy access to the air filter and wiper unit, and quick replacement of ink packs. Simplify your printing experience with hassle-free maintenance process. The V1030 and V2030 feature 2 air filters designed to minimize odors from UV inks during your printing process, enhancing your overall print experience. Changing outer air filter. Before changing the outer air filter, please ensure that your printer is turned off. Open front cover. Lift air filter cover. Remove old air filter out by the handle. Insert a new air filter. Close air filter cover and ensure that it is flat. Changing inner air filter. Before changing the inner air filter, please ensure that your printer is turned off. Open front cover. Pull grip points of carriage. Lift air filter cover. Remove old air filter out by the handle. Insert a new air filter. Close air filter cover and ensure that it is flat. Push back the carriage using the correct grip points. Air filters change completed. Depending on usage frequency, Epson recommends changing the filter once every 6 months. The V1030 and V2030 come with an automated head cleaning function. To activate head cleaning, turn on the printer. Select Printer Maintenance icon. Select Head Cleaning. Select Preferred Head Cleaning function. Select all or preferred colors to clean. Click Start. Once cleaning is completed, open the front cover and place a plain A4 paper on the platen to prepare for nozzle check. On the Print Settings option, select the position to print nozzle check pattern, then click Start. And start printing. Open front lid to identify any missing nozzle on the pattern printed. Select X if there are broken lines on the nozzle check pattern, and O if there are no broken lines. If X is selected, repeat the printhead cleaning process. Periodic printhead cleaning is recommended to prevent clogging of printheads. The automatic head cleaning function uses the wiper unit to clean any uncured ink residue on the printhead, prolonging the lifespan of the printhead. Changing the wiper unit can be easily done by accessing it from the front right side of the printer. To change the wiper unit on the V1030 and V2030, please ensure that your printer is turned off. Open the wiper unit flap on the right side of the printer. Pull out the wiper unit. Insert new wiper unit. Close the wiper unit flap. Wiper unit change completed. Changing of ink packs can be easily done by accessing the front left side of the printer. To replace the ink packs, open ink pack compartment cover. Pull out the ink tray. Remove depleted ink pack from ink tray. Replace with new ink pack. Insert ink tray back into printer. Close front cover. Ink pack replacement is now completed. Keep your printer running at the optimal condition with fuss-free and easy maintenance procedures.